Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again. Want to wish everyone out there a happy new year. The markets are now back to normal, and on this day I ended up doing 9 trades. Today's date is January the 2nd, and I'm using my easy scalper trading system. This has 2 excellent scalping indicators. The first one is this moving average. It's called the Easy Scalper. And the other one is the super signal indicator. That's the arrows. They'll both give a pop-up box and an alert suggesting whether you should be buying or selling. Here's the pop-up box I was talking about, either suggesting to buy or sell. Plenty of trading opportunities for all 3 trading sessions. Now every morning, approximately 6 o'clock New York time, I'm in front of the charts looking at all the different instruments, and of course I'm taking a look at my daily trade plan. Now here is the daily trade plan. It's an expert advisor. It's running in real time, and right about now it's around 12:15 lunchtime, and lots of trading is possible if you want to continue trading, whereas I am finished trading for the day. Now if you're trading without some kind of a daily trade plan, well, that's one very good reason why you are not finding it, like you're failing as a trader. As my mentor told me many years ago, you must have some kind of a daily trade plan. Doesn't have to be this one. I've had many of them, and at the moment this is the best one I came across. If you have any questions, well, quite simple, just get in contact with me. Okay, now we can run a check on these trades. Pretty much sold every one except for this dollar CAD. Let's start at the top here. First one I did was the pound Swiss. So plenty of things here telling me it's going to go down. So easy to make a decision. I just followed all the rules within the trading system. Took the trade at this cursor right here, and I closed it out here just being happy. Looks like with about 17 pips, and that paid out $200. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the S&P 500. This one pays $5 for each tick, so I took the money divided by 5. Calculator says it should be 50. So a lot of things here. Matter of fact, everything. When I pulled the trigger, said it was going to go down. Should have got in a little bit higher, but this is where I saw it. Got the alert. I knew it was going to do another cycle, which is exactly what it did. So, like I said, calculator says it should be 50. So let's see if I can find that 50. Well, that's as close as I'm going to be able to show, but it is 50 ticks, and that paid out $250. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the pound New Zealand. Wanted to be selling it. Plenty of things showing that it's going to go down. Doesn't mean it's going to go 200 pips, but I knew it was going to go down and at least test this area of support. So I sold it at this point, and I closed it out here just being happy with about 40 pips, and that paid out $251. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the dollar CAD. Wanted to be buying it according to the daily trade plan. Super signal, scalper. So that's exactly what I did. I bought it, locking in approximately 33 pips, and that paid out $255. Okay, moving on to the next trade. It's gold, which pays $10 for each tick, so let's go and run a check on it, see where I got in at. Plenty of things here telling me it's going to go down. So that's exactly what I did. I knew it could go back up a little bit, but that's the way the market moves, and I didn't worry about it too much. All the way down to there would have paid out well over 100, but I was happy with those 28. Should be 28.6. Let's just say it's 28 ticks, paying out $286. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the Euro Yen. Let's see where I got in first of all. Did qualify for a great way to trade. Scalper was red. Super signal. Daily trade plan. So I took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out here, just being happy with 43 pips. And that ended up paying out $303. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is pound yen. So we drag and drop this up. Same as the Euro Yen. Many days they're correlated, which means one goes down, the other one goes down. Same thing. Qualified for a great way to trade. Scalper was red. Red arrow. Daily trade plan said to sell. So I sold at that cursor and I closed it out here. Looks like with about 49 pips, and that paid out $352. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is NASDAQ. This one pays $20 for each tick. Took the money, divided by 20. Calculator says it should be 44. So let's run a check on it. So from there to there should be 44. Should have stayed in the trade. I could have made a lot more, roughly 160. But at the real time, I was happy with the 44. And that ended up paying out $880. Okay, let's move on to the last trade, crude oil. This one pays $10 for each tick. Let's see where I got in at first of all. Plenty of things here suggesting the scalper, super signal, daily trade plan. And that's exactly what I did. I knew that it could go and test the top one more time. So looking at the money, this should be, since it pays $10 for each tick, should be 125. There it is right there, 125 ticks, paying out $1,250. So another great day of trading using my easy scalper. And if your system, well, it's not producing the same results, well, I recommend you get your hands on it. And don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now I did a grand total here, added up all the pips and the ticks, and I knew it was going to be over 200. That's what I'm normally aiming for on a daily basis when I'm trading. Grand total came to 429 pips and ticks, and that paid out $4,028. So if you have any questions or if you want to buy anything at all, quite simple. All you got to do is get in contact with me. And all my information is right below this video in the description. There will be a banner, the word more. All you got to do is click on it. It'll open up a window. You can either pick up the phone and call me. In all the years I've been trading, I never could pick up the phone and call the trader who is actually trading the system. So, and this is very important because for you to find success, you have to be able to talk to the trader. I'm sure you'll have some questions. Remember, there's 4 things you're going to need to succeed at trading. You'll need a lot of chart time, a lot of demo trading, a lot of education. I can provide you with a lot of education. And don't forget, you're going to need some kind of a daily trade plan. You have to think like you're learning to become a doctor or lawyer. Now, you should be buying more education every 2 or 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. Way too many traders would rather give the money to the broker, thousands of dollars, as opposed to buying education. If you do that, you're going to fail and be more broke. Now, of course, when you buy from me, I do give support, and without support, you'll only have a 5% chance of succeeding. After you buy from me, I'll tell you more very important secrets to successfully trading the markets. Of course, I'll do that in a free Skype call. Now, if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. So please keep in mind that it's very important of what I just said to you. Rewind the tape and listen to it again. That's one of the biggest reasons why 95% of traders are failing. They are not doing things properly. Also in the description, you'll see 4 different packages. And remember, you're going to need a lot of education, so obviously I recommend getting all 4. I do have a special offer. If you buy any 2 packages, I'll give you one of the other packages for free. And all you got to do is just get in contact with me. So it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading. And remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.